Overdose. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Don't know. We are dealing mucha cha 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 cha. There, you know. Don't know what they are. And I wonder what go on in the earth. What's wrong with the world? What's wrong with the world? Or what the world wrong with you? Back to school. Orientation a go on. The road them get back congested again. You don't know if you live a Whole Harbour. You have to leave out your yard from early. If you live at Portmore, you have to leave out your yard from early. If you live at Red Hills, you have to leave out your yard from early. And when I say early, 6 o'clock. 5:30, 6 o'clock. If you want to reach where you go. Because trust me, the traffic rough. The traffic rough. So, you know, so the youth them have to wake up like 5 o'clock. You see, so they have to go in bed. They have to go in bed. They don't know, you hear them say free paper bun. You don't know that go. When I say go in bed, make a youth them go in bed from 7. That means that them try to get a full 8 hour. 7:30, 8 o'clock you make them go in bed because orientation is like at the old days, like at the old school, because you have to sit down and I have Peely orientation for Thursday. We steam fish and okay, you see me eat. We steam fish and okay, you see me eat, wicked woman. But here what I not like. Why does it always happen when time August done and people if you go back to school? Every one of the blogs them where you look pan. Every one of the blogs them where you look pan. Despo. Every blogs where you look pan. Oh, me have 3 pitney for the boy. Or me have the baby for the boy. Me have my son and the boy and I look pan me pitney how long. And this and that and that and this and that and that and the same thing over and over. Somehow no matter. We're not tired. Because the whole summer we not put out the man pan blast. But right as summer done and back to school, we not come with the excitement. You know, so enough of the people them not care. Because all of the information them want to ask for in September. The whole of them did a long time, you know. You know, sir, you alone and take care of the pitney them from when. You know, sir, the boy a go dance. You know, sir, the boy have girl. You know, sir, the boy a flasser. You know, sir, the boy in a business about the pitney them. So why you still coming on every September a cuss the father? Why you still a cuss? Because you bringing him on social media, come like say you promote him for some more girl, just go look him. This is what I try to say, you know? This is what I really try to say. You wait till Monday morning, yesterday, this morning, if you come and cuss say, yeah, bring down your baby father. Him never care, you know. Last year him never care. And this year him still not care. I may understand a bit of baby mother situation. I may understand a father where try for they name youth them life. Because enough time the people them sending the story them about the man them, some of it are not true. The man not perfect, but enough of it are not true. Because the man come and him give you money. Or you know cuss him when Christmas come and say you not even get a shows for the pity them. It's always when back to school you cuss. Because I look on the comment them, you know. I look on the comment them. And when I look on the comment them, I don't see no cussing at Christmas. I don't cuss. You know? When the holiday time comes, so it look like say holiday clothes alone the father buy him not buying a uniform and him not buying a book. I just pure holiday clothes him buy. But that's a cess still, you know? And everybody know when school is go open. Everybody know when school is go open. Everybody know. Everybody know when school is go open. So that is an excuse where say school more, say back to school more important. Because I remember saying in the summer you buy things for school from school holiday from June. From June school holiday. Anyway, the people in America, how was it on Labor Day? Marcia Wagwan. How was it on Labor Day? Soon they are firing a jump and chuck and a guan and a skin out in a crowd. I saw someone who not doing something. And now this man don't have gone back on the work, a lie? Nah, man. I know say if you work on Labor Day, you know say mess hype all tight. You know say if you work on Labor Day, I double that. Everybody will work on Labor Day, I double. Where's the Melly? You talk about the king? Never be there any king. Lord of mercy. Hey. Let me say easy, Mr. Cat, me say easy no man. Jesus Christ. You see how you wicked. Lick man chip and make man a ball. Yes, so let me tell you now no wicked. If me not cuss you today, no you know. Me not cuss. Me I save my energy. Me not cuss. Me not cuss. You know, I come on and I look pound, you know, I just there, man. Remember me and the eyeglass, you know. I just have a little time, you know, and say, you know. Yeah, forward. But me have to tell you now. This morning tell you now, Jason, what go on? So come a Boston, man. Next year me I come a Boston. Cooler, man. Next year me I come a Boston. But watch this now. Next month a Heroes Day at Jamaica. Our Heroes Weekend. Zin. Tanisha Wagwan. Erica. We're not gonna say. We're not gonna say when the king roll out. A long time none took it not see me, you know. Long time none took it not saws me. I don't know Cape Cod wait for me. Lord. When me jump over there and say, how you feeling? I'm ball out over there. Mercs. That me I tell you no. That now we I get everything sorted out. Long time we not come at them place there. I know when Boston ready for go cold. It a go cold. You don't know. I have to get my big jacket and my big boat. Big time and my something there and wrap up with my scarf and my thing them. And roll out. Eh? And roll out. But I say a thing I go on the internet, see? Watch what I go on now. The internet is a place where it can be very cruel at times and it can be very kind. See? Not for we pay so much mind to the internet. That's you know say you're a man have the problem and the internet does make you have problem. Somebody just make all a post, somebody read deep in it and say, are you them attack? And you take it up and just have problem with the post. You just have problem with the man post or the man make. People can post anything when they want, you know. Enough time we know how we people attack, but enough time I know we them attack. So sometimes we have to just make some posts just pass and go on. We have to just go on like we don't see it. Because of that fuck we up boy, you know. You see the internet is a good thing. Because it shows how gullible people is. It shows how toxic people is. Be unhappy people upon the internet. Be unhappy people. Be unhappy people. We're reading to everything them reading to. Not even the reader man that do so much reading. And you don't know when we come talk, all if I 10 people over here, we just talk to 10 people. Because remember upon a good day, we not talk to 10 people. See? But when I try to tell the people, them say, yo, you can't follow up this internet something here. Sometimes I have to just go myself a break from it. Enough time I break myself from it, and I follow up everything I see on it, you know. And if I want trend, I don't know where I trend, you know. I don't know what trend, I don't know where go viral, you know, because I follow up them something there, you know. I just see something and post it and I just go on about my business, you know. More time not even comment, I don't look through, you know. Because we have other things to do, man. We have other things to do. People have too much time on them, man, to sit down and worry about somebody else. Mel's, what go on? People have too much time on them, man, yo. Because the people them were don't afraid to be yourself. Because the easiest thing to do is fake nowadays. And when you're real, you say you fake. Big up on yourself. I mean, I tell you, when you come to Jamaica, now enjoy the niceness, boy. Yeah. You can't make everybody just enjoy the whole Jamaica, so. See Chris Brown come in a back flick in the water. Burna boy come and go on with a bag of thing in the water. You come to Jamaica and not live no life. You make the whole America girl them come on there. Down a river rafting, make them and feel them up. And I rub down them body with mud on it. When you not come to Jamaica, come live no life. Eh? I just tell people so when you come to Jamaica. All why I not tell them, man. All why I tell them people just come to Jamaica, the people them there foreign hard and work. People them there foreign hard and work, you know. You know them come to Jamaica for? Always a funeral. Always a funeral. You can't wait till funeral for come to Jamaica and then you just come for 3 days and then you say, boy, that's the funeral me did come for. Because I never have the money, but you find money to come for funeral. Una go and walk out on the whole sword case for come for be a funeral. Somehow una 4 funeral no come from the year start. I know we no come for phone time. I know we no come for enjoy look like phone hard working money. All una work hard and I go on. When I come down to Jamaica come release because just I eat like a breadfruit. Eh? Boss lady. Them not afraid, you know. I mean nobody tell you about them afraid. Lie. Them not afraid. I don't know so when you're foreign and you hear the news, it sound away. I not tell a lie. Because enough time when we there hear some news, it sound away too. But once you reach Jamaica, you just know say yo, it's just like you got Lebanon and some place. You got Lebanon and you got Israel. Remember say when me hear about Israel, you know, last year I got Israel, it's spice, you know. And Jerusalem, you know. And when I go to my a TV, me used to see them place upon, you know. Remember, you know, me see the soldier them with them rifle. Me see the whole I something them and the tie up head people them and the whole of the something them and but people that live down there. Palestine over one other part and one wall part it have so. And people that live. I mean I say about when you see them place up on TV, a pay bomb you see a job more time. But when you go over there, you don't see no bomb a job. Bomb a job on another place. Just like you go to Bama does know, so you come to town and man dead down at one place, so you there Moby or man dead up at one place up there. So I what day I go Moby and when I go Moby and they on the hip strip, you know. The hip strip ram, you know. Be a tourist, you know. But again, I wouldn't have to come to see it. I wouldn't have to see it when I wouldn't have to come to see it. Because I come like someone just step on the internet and I look for be a bad news and I see no good news. Just come to Jamaica, man. No make nobody make you feel for coming in your yard. Mr. Goddess, want go on? You have your yard and I talk about you're afraid for come. Come down here, man, and you will see it, man. Just come, man. I encourage everybody don't afraid to come back to your yard. Because don't take other people's experience and judge the whole Jamaica. Don't do it. Well, we live in a country where nothing is things were used to be free are no longer free. So there's no freeness anymore. You have to pay. If you go over Elsha right now, you have to pay $200 for parking. Elsha start charge now. And you go over Fort Clarence, you have to pay. When you go down a Dung River, if you go a Dung River, you have to pay $1,000 in a Jamaica, and if you're a foreigner, you have to pay must be 10 US or something like so. So we must stop say them a charge this and them a charge and nothing is free. So anybody will get a good run out of the thing, get a good run. Charlotte, pick up yourself. Zane, nothing is free. There's no more freeness. It's just like a man with a cuss. When them a say, man, I start pay a light bill. Then if you are 30, and this year them a tell you, say, you have to start pay a light bill. Now 30 years what a free light you get, man. And 30 years what a water. So you just like, I expect you to just go through life just so. And now I pay for nothing at all. Eh? Just remember, say anything too free. It don't last long. You have to have the upkeep of things. Don't watch nobody and just live up on the life for the people. I'm telling you, you know. You have to live on the life. You have to wait for people to live on the life. And wait till you come a funeral. Eh? Funeral can nice. Which funeral nice? No funeral can nice. Or funeral for nice. People don't have to spend come spend no money. Because you have to pay for go to Dung River. You have to pay for go. Everywhere don't watch you have to pay for go. Everywhere. I want to go to my mama go to country, me and Entourage. And DJ Ashine down a river down a one part. $1,000 for go in each away. 1,000 each. So imagine if it was free. How much people that want to go bombard it? So if you can't pay $1,000, like really and truly, if you can't pay $1,000 for yourself, what purpose you serve on earth? When I listen to some people about, look how them a buy up this, sir, and look how them a do this, sir, and look how them a that this, sir. There's nothing in life that's for free. Too much freeness not good. It's just like you go somewhere, you go up on Shein. And when you go up on Shein and order something, you expect Shein to get it free. You get it at a low cost. Just like you come to Jamaica and you want to go somewhere, it's affordable. On a resort, you go up and you go to a river. So you say the river should be free. So if you maintain the river and keep it clean and do all of them something there. The upkeep of the river when time it dirty. When people go up and up on the river banks and place them and them name the KFC and them name do all of the something them. Who take care of that? You're going to just eat the KFC and throw it in the water. It now go bank up somewhere. And it's going to cause a major pollution. People just talk and them not talk with logics, you know. That's why enough time I nah go company internet come debate with nobody. I nah company internet come debate with nobody. It's just like somebody have a business. Why you for going at the people in business? If the people have something I sell for $5,000, you are going at the people in business place and I tell them say, oh, that's too dear. If it's too dear for you, leave out. You don't have to buy it. Somebody else will buy it for the $5,000. Anywhere where you can go get it for $4,000 or $3,000, go on. Anywhere where you can go get it for free, go on. Never forget, you know, one time, you know. Me I go foreign, I go to New York, you know. And me I go to New York, you know, a girl go to my say, Richie, why you bring back a phone for me? Zine, why you bring back a phone for me? Them time there BlackBerry around the place. And the girl tell me say she want a curve, a BlackBerry curve. She says she see it on T-Mobile. They advertise it on TV. Say T-Mobile have the fucking BlackBerry for $50. Remember the girl never go to the airport yet. Me there I look on the girl and I say, girl, people who have straight phone in America, like they are on the plan with T-Mobile, they can pay $50 and they will be entitled to get it because them have insurance on the phone. Some people have 2-year insurance on the phone, some people have 1-year insurance. Because you know enough people change them phone regular. Me that they try to explain this to the girl and the girl that run me down and want to kill me off, you know. The girl that run me down and want to kill me off. Zine, because there is no way you could have get a BlackBerry curve. Them time they are the hottest phone that before iPhone come out. Zine, and she see them advertise it. I tell me, say she want me bring a phone for her because she see it for $50. So I just leave her alone because I'm a stress radar, the girl rise up. We up at one part in the sky. So, you don't need to tell your loved one these things. Tell them, explain to them. Say phones are very expensive. And not just Jamaica alone. Because watch this again. Make I explain the next thing too. Samsung store there out here. See? We have Digicel. We have a Samsung store. And we have Flow. So all these 3 places sell phones. And you have other places here that sell phones. So an iPhone 12 Pro Max, $100,000, right? When them going at the people them store and see, Jesus Christ, oh that's so expensive. Oh, I'm ball. And one bag of excitement create. One bag of excitement create. Oh, that's so dear. Wow, phone for yourself for nearly 200,000. Murder lad. Then them take up them phone now and call you Oliver Farry. They call you Oliver Farry. I say my cousin, my auntie, my friend, you can't buy a phone for me. And you, the auntie and the cousin and the friend, say, what kind of phone? They want an iPhone 12 or an iPhone 14 or 13 Pro. One of them, any one of them. When you tell them, say, $1,200 for the phone, $900 for the phone, $1,500 for the phone, they might make it look like, say, you get mad. Because the phone can't so there a foreign it make. Because them sit, them not understand so enough of the things them where they sell a foreign and they are Jamaica basically the same price. But showing a Jamaica money it does sound enough. See? Because if you don't buy it from the store and get it unlocked, when you come to Jamaica again, you have to go pay $20,000 and $25,000 to pull it. Because they might tell you, say, oh, you have to get a code and you have to go call the place where the company there and the company have to send you a code and it's going to take 3, 4, 5, 1 week to pull. So you end up and pay the same money where you buy it in the store from. But enough people again don't understand. Because from here they are foreign, everything easy. From here they are foreign, everything easy. From here they are foreign, everything easy. But just say, we know we broke people bad enough time. But trust me, I everywhere money tight right now, worldwide. Worldwide money tight. Tighter than some girl pum pum. That is all money tight right now. Tighter than some girl front. See? But we don't have to cuss for the people them. Them chest are yes, bluebird. Them chest are bad. But again, are you send the monkey if you go climb high, you know? Are you send the monkey if you go climb high? One time, alright, let me tell you something. One time gone, see? Things used to, you know, affordable certain way. But now the basic things them we normally would have buy for a price, them are cost enough money now. Enough of the things them and the Jamaican that are the same equivalent. Enough of the things them. The basic things them. See? So I just tell you say it rough, but that no means some of you sit down and just walk out on a soul case and not enjoy it. And that me I tell you no. You hear? That me I tell you no. And let me tell you another thing what I not like. Some people use it and have it like, you know, it's a hype or whatever. But you see the champagne splashing thing, you know, so I not like it. Remember, I keep a birthday party and I own this place already. And one of my brethren want to come wake me up with champagne. I'm telling them, not do that. Don't do that. I better you give me the money. I don't want you to wake me up. Because you're going to wake me up with all of this champagne. My clothes I forgot that shit because the stain would not come out. I'm still going to want the money. So, better just squeeze the money in me and I don't give me none at all. But I don't like it. Because you can't all say you wake me up on all the blood clot, champagne, something flash and lick me and me and blind me. I don't like it. To each his own, you know. Marsha go to school and mama. You don't know nothing change but the weather and the mosquito them man. Watch Bugs come fling a stone in that crowd. Bugs and Richie, them don't a yard love for beg credit. Like them think it free. I wanna our biggest thing that Jamaicans love to ask for credit. We Jamaicans love to ask for credit. We love it's like say we forgot say you have to use your credit card and go up on the digital app and buy a credit. It's come like so we forgot. But I show them say if you get the credit from overseas, you get more. But you have some people who, because I remember say digital tell we say them love we, you know, because we chat, you know, we chat enough. And that's why digital lasts so long, boy, you know, because we chat enough for you. But now we want credit because remember say the competition get rough, you know. Credit now just done, so again, them make your credit expire. People now put on a service, them that wait till them go around internet. Have credit on them phone and barely I use the credit on them phone. Look a bit, what lie? What's the lie? What the lie there, little bit? What lie did I tell? Tell me where was the lie. No man, not for the credit. Remember say, the instruction come on the phone in a little bit. Like it has said dial this and dial that and that and that. And it will double. I don't know if them things they still are run now. I don't know. That double say. Because sometimes if you not sign up feet, I lick your chip get lick. I make you all out. Boy. And ball. Them just a laugh body and them no want no money. I say the body and them no want no. Some girl. A woman need money for buy her necessary. To wake up like a party. This charge right now, this seat on your panty. I don't want to. Why Mr. September run? September just start and today what? Today the 5th. I saw tomorrow the 5th. Now sir, Father Bogo, them days are done. 3 nights done with. Look a bit say she work too hard in the snow fellows. Where say Canada pick them gone back to school today? Yeah man, everybody out again, man. Tomorrow the 6th. More time the man remember the days of the week when I have to sit with me and I just live, you know. And just know say yo, you wake up a morning light out and by your look, sun gone down. And I don't know again. Yo, what more I ask you know? Why every year people have in the cold country them have to buy a new jacket? I just want somebody answer me that question here, please. Why is it that every year people who live overseas have to buy a new jacket, a new winter jacket? Why? What do you guys do with the one that you buy last year? Lord God. With the new jacket name, Canada Goose, and $1,000 feet. So Shana said she donate the whole one. Where's the if say coat? Me a Jamaican, you know a jacket me a deal it. Alright. I'm want to answer that next question here. Like I want to answer that one here, right? Some people say them put on weight. So them have to buy a new jacket. My bow cat friend Shaggy. I want to answer the next one here. Why is it that every Thanksgiving you have to buy a new TV? But just want to know this. Me never asked nobody this yet. No, me want to ask. Why is it that every Thanksgiving a new TV have to go in the house? Want to the old one? Want to do with the old one? This me want to know now. This me want to know. Bob Buckler. Since the TV get all. Yo, John must die. Yo. Somebody said the TV get all. Somebody else say because it's cheap up on sale. So somebody said them ship off the next one to Jamaica. But you ship the new one or you ship the old one where you have. So you have to upgrade the TV. But somehow now buy the TV. I don't know watch it. I don't know watch the TV, you know. Tanisha says she give fair one to family when them come up. Because every year the TV inch them go bigger and bigger. Because what the biggest TV you have now? 85 inch? A 85 inch are the biggest? Bamba hole, you not go on a work. You not have nothing to do. A 100 are the big, a 100 are the wow. You know that me just say 7.5 inch or 85 inch. But them say you have bigger than 85 inch. Them say you have bigger than 85 inch, so me don't know. So Yardi tell us say, Yardi Barbie say a projectors are the new thing now. Is humble. So a projector the thing you know then. Boy, the people them love them gadgets too. Clean sweep said it can't look good of a certain size. Bumbuckler. Money said she have a 85 inch and it gets small now. I can't deal with people, you know. You know, so I can't deal with people. You know, star, I can't deal with people. Because the TV, them remember say where I come from 14 inch TV, right? Then we got 17 inch, then we got 25 inch. Then we got 32 inch, then we got 40 and 44. Right? Then we got 50 inch, 55 inch, 60, 65 inch. See, 70 inch, 75 inch, 85 inch. Now with their projector. So basically what you say, the bigger the TV are the more fuck up it show. So that's why movie theater now really make no money because a man just wait till But the movie no still a come out in a box office. Taya say her 15 inch up on the wall and it feel like a tablet on the wall. John was there. Alright, we mind I tell you this. Wicked Kayan. I wonder if we mind I tell you this. When you feel like say we mind I tell you that the TV gets smaller. But people still got Caribbean, people still got movie theater still, you know. So when I say movie, when I say we have a movie night, you're a woman or you're a man going to have a movie night, what you do? You go out or you stay in the house and watch a movie. I want to ask you another question, because I have TV something that stress me out, you know. I now have TV something that stress me out. I want to ask you another thing. People still go up on dates nowadays. Does anyone still go on a date? And when you go on a date, what's the expectation when you go on a date? I want somebody tell me them something. I want to try find out something. What's the expectation if people do still go on dates? So if you go on a date, the woman them want to answer first. The woman them. When you go on a date, what's the expectation? Come make we talk. OG say eat and drink. Drink wine, no hard drink. Rochelle say young the man them we want a broke talk about date. Rolex. Type in your car wash. Type in your car wash Rolex. Clean sweep said date stop keep. Mitch say date equals long belly girl. Come for she and her girl come for she and take home plate for her family. Netflix and chill make she ball out. Sophie says she thinks it's all about the individual. I'll know me not get nothing in. I'll know me not give me nothing in. These women nowadays man have to have CEO money. I'll know me not give me nothing in. Me go on a date Sunday New Rules concert. Okay, so Mel's go up on a date Sunday. She got New Rules. Michi say my date or Starbucks are going to the park. Alright. A date then a sound bad. I not split myself split the bill. I just ask what is the expectation and how dating go. Because again, your chin say depends on how the money are set up. Because most man, when them say them a carry a woman on a date, want him spend a money when him say she order lobster, she order whatever. Like him start calculating in mind, say him gonna get little front. Because if it's a date, they carry somebody pan. Hollandberg, that soon get to that part there. When a man say he must spend a money on a girl on a date, he expects that when the date done, he must go back around a hotel, or he must go back to a yard. So people don't really go up on date again. Clean sweep. So when last year a girl tell a man come link her. Come link her at her room and them stand up a gate and talk. Or sit and talk. Actually, you talk. Nobody no go gate go sit down and talk again. Nobody now meet up with nobody on a gate and sit down and talk. Them days are done. Straight in. Come in. Going to restaurants or movies boarded and play out. Date still a keep, man. Here, money, where we are sitting on a gate for we can talk on the phone. Come remember when me young, you know, I and a girl go out. I drop her off. All you ask for when you drop her off, want me a good night kiss, no? Them things don't happen again. Them days are done. That's how we know we all here now, you know. We all. Because when you're a young boy and a young girl, you beg girl kiss. You can't get a good night kiss, or you get a little choop, so you feel good and go home, say the girl give you a kiss. Now we expectation bigger than kiss. Up front we want. We bypass the whole of that because we don't talk on the phone and I set up everything already. So when we go out, broke more and broke in it like a burglar. People free for all hold. When last when you see all people are hold them and hold one another hand now. Nobody hold hand again. Nobody now hold nobody hand. Nobody now hold nobody hand. Remember we moved from good night kiss to go on. Send me a sexy picture. So when I have to rate a man who get straight to the point. Because gone were the days when man used to text and I say, go and send me a sexy picture now. And you boy you come send picture where you got a room dance. You got a room dance. And the man say, no man, not that more. Because remember him don't want to come out straight. Him don't want to come out and say, you know. And I say, what go on? I want to see if you click long, you know. And woman says, you want to see if you think strong, you know. Then, man, I get straight to the point and want to know if the girl a freak. And the girl want to know if she can pop in her head. And that's how them go. So by the time you go, so man link up. When you don't do the whole of the talking over phone already. So when a man gets straight to the point, you have to know you have to rate him for that. Because he get to the point, he might tell you how he deal it. But you don't know one thing man struggle with them last days. You still. Some man anyway. When a woman come to him and ask, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Him nah just come out and say, I look some front. Him nah say that. Him nah just say it so. I know him not get it yet. After him get the front now and the question come again, him and say, yo, you don't know me, you can't go on. Go on with the vibes, man. Don't know you can't go on, just, you know, have some fun, you know. Don't know you can't go and be a friend with benefit, man. They don't know the friend thing there and no benefits now come from it more than like a front. Alright. Berg just asked me what I think about the flipper situation. You know, I watched that video there a couple of times. Well, yesterday. And I don't know how long Flipper did up on the stage. I don't know how long him did up on the stage. But my father there in an element and him at work. And him go out there and it look like some my father shun him. Because him go for embrace my father and my father shun him. When him turn back round now, my father say, I would have Flipper, and then him embrace him. But you don't know the internet, I gotta take it all type of way. That the first when me see it, me I say, yo, Jano, this not look good. This not look good. When you don't know again, the internet done crucify him already. So no care when me come talk right now, it now go sound better. It now go sound better. The internet done go so I fling out and I fling out already and I say you don't know my father. No acknowledge him, my father shame me, man. So no care when me say them done well for them conclusion already. You see me? Because you watch the video, him never see him when him come out because you know artists in them element and that's what them have to do. So when Flipper run on, him never get the greetings I bring from Jah from him. But after the fact now, my father say, "What go on Flipper?" and him embrace him. So, but the first thing I go viral. The second part now I go viral. That's the front part. So, them done crucify him already. But them things happen every day still. So him alright, a big man. Him alright. You see me? My big man, him alright, man. I water under the bridge. Tia, what go on? Him alright. Well, you don't know so the internet stay. Just like how I see another video again where them say Popcorn style Authentic. Because Authentic a DJ and Popcorn make a statement like Popcorn treat and Authentic say, yo, people have to believe in themselves. I want to believe in themselves. You don't know. You can't come keep a treat bigger than this. And the next thing him say, what the fuck them feel? And when him say that, Popcorn take the mic from him. You don't know a video this again. It go viral. The internet see what them see. And them take it up on them head. And them say Popcorn style Authentic. Them say Popcorn style Authentic. Now me say Authentic by a watermelon. Melon will taste so good. Melon will good for your heart and good for your sex drive and good for so much things. And me say Authentic by the melon and crush it aground. Me have problem with that. Me have problem with that. Because that melon is a healer. People, melon is very good, you know, especially the green part of the melon. You understand? Especially for the man them. You see me? If you're impotent, you have to eat a whole heap of melon. Melon good for your wood root. So when I see that goes up and drop a ground and I never like that. Because again, at the internet we are dealing with, you know. And the melon look all sweet when it drop. You see me? Sometimes we have to just softens and turn it away rot. We're too quick for jump to judgment and we're too quick for have people and have up people already for hate people and you see me? That's my issue. And I not go up on the internet and jump up and talk about who wrong from who not wrong. And I just not like how people just make the internet just suck them in so. Because the internet can be very good to you, you know. And the internet can be very kind. And it can be very mean. Also, it can be very mean. See? Because remember again, when we come on this, we just come on to come talk and come off. We don't be who and vex who are like, we don't come on this to people talk about we. See? I don't know what go on with the situation with Denny and Popcorn. She put a Popcorn tell her to go suck her mother, I don't know why. And she put a melon. Popcorn I eat a melon. And I still not get it, like I don't know why. I still not get it. Because that's why I say some things pass me, some things I see. So I don't know where the watermelon come from. Like, oh, Popcorn love eat watermelon. So what is wrong with watermelon? What is wrong with melon? Melon is good for man. You see me? But again, I see the people I run with it and I say, oh, this and Popcorn that. People just fool more time and gullible, yeah, man. And let me tell you something again. Anything when a man want to do in them bedroom, it's not my business and it's not your business. Anything a woman want to do in them bedroom is not my business, not your business. Me not responsible no man lifestyle. Anything what you like, that you like. You hear me say? Me not responsible no man life. Me have no time for a command pack. I remember say enough hypocrite upon this, you know. Enough hypocrite we hear a leak out pan a man and I say, oh, that boy they suck pussy and that boy this and that boy that, and you would have been surprised if him woman never start talk. You would have been surprised. So me see them thing a play out. Enough time when some man tough up, oh, me never do this yet and me never do that yet, and him just do that for claim to say I keep him street cred. But what kind of street cred I keep? You know, see how much boy I promote them mouth on the internet. Just like how the girl I promote them mouth on the internet. And the internet is where we don't see it every day, man. So one video with one girl yesterday. I suck one tie body. And she dead there and she go on and I see it go viral again. Be people send it to her about it just their own. And the girl dead there and I don't know who she, I don't know what she name, Mystical or something like so. She promote herself. That's everybody want to know who are who don't know her yet. See? So when I say any consequence will come, you set it. So if you do good, good, I go come. If you do bad, bad, I go come. If you nastiness, you do nastiness, I go come. Anything when you put out there, expect to take it back. See? But me just say, I don't business with a guy. I don't business with no guy nor no girl. Me no business if a girl front you love nyam. Me no business if you like when man or woman push things around the area. Me no care. Me no come for fight for sex. Me no man fight for education. Education me love. Me love when people bright. Me can't take it. We have too much illiterate people already. The easiest thing to do right now is turn a freak. The easiest thing to do is turn an alphabet. The easiest thing to do them something there. Want to education. How them now push that on the internet? Eh? How them now push mental health, strong mental health for a push. I saw it for a show about. And that it for a show about, we for a show about them thing there. But again, that naga, I don't realize that when we depend this and we have 100 people upon this, you have some people when them go on live, 1,000 people depend them live. Why we not push the people if you have more ambition, boy? Why we not do that? Because when me did younger, me always just hear some words say pick the beam out of your eye before you say anybody else one. You hear another one where say dance a yard before you dance abroad. You hear another one where say look somewhere if you put your head before you put your cock. Me hear all of them something there. And me come and live to come see it play out. When me did younger and them say look somewhere if you push your head. Them never say push your head on a girl. Them never say that. Them never say that, you know. Look somewhere to live first. Call it your home. Before you go look woman figure say you have sex with. Learn to stand up on your own. But again, we get the teaching a long time. Remember, say everything we are going on now, you know, we get the teaching them long time and we not take it, you know. And the next one, they say if you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. Zine, remember say, gossip, sell, enough. Gossip, sell. Zine? Alright, all of you careless too. All of we careless sometimes, but what a person name? Wild Catherine. We nah go cuss still. We nah cuss. You know, if you come join the topic first and come talk about my friend. That is what you're not supposed to do. We there and not tell us we are talk about education and mental health. And you're quick for jump on like my friend. You see how people stay? Easy something this for draw we in, you know. People don't join that. And that me just tell you say the negativity where people love run come with. All of we careless. All of we careless. All of we with upon this careless. All of we careless. All of we careless. So I don't have to pay him no mind. Or she no mind or whosoever it is. Where a reason. And the easiest thing that when time somebody just come piss you off and show you off. Because again, bread can raise to $1,000 right now. And nobody no notice. But one spice goes up and do something on the internet, everybody see it. And then a spice around the country. Spice not big like the president. So we have to just learn how to not argue with everybody. Sometimes we can just make some. Because I remember enough of them something I'm ignoring. So nobody. Sometimes we have to just remember say as well, I say soft fans to turn it away rat. Because if me for follow up everybody. Lady Peach, if me for follow everybody we say something about my friend, me have to stress out. Because me have to argue with too much people. And you can't argue with people on the internet. Alright, Wild Catherine, you can done now. Because you obviously have selective outrage also. You have selected outrage also. Nobody can tell people what them feel lick out pan and what them feel cuss about or what them feel talk about. You come on a platform where we are talk about something and you decide say you want to come talk about an individual. We are speaking of some things and you are talking about someone. Right? We don't need to talk about someone. We are talking about some things. So that is a difference. So it's not just one person we are talking about. You don't have to come fling no stone upon one person. Because nobody no perfect. Slackness never gonna stop push. Slackness never gonna stop push. Me just say nothing about pushing slackness. I never that me say. Me say negativity. That is what me say. Negativity me say. From before me born. Them have song where I lick out pan bow cat. Them have song where I say girl a freak of the week. You know how long that song they do? Some girl a freak. Them a freak of the week. So basically what you say. Basically what you say. Me fi come cuss out my friend. That is basically what you say. I want to try understand. Me fi come burn out my friend. I just want to know say, I want to know if that you say. I fi come on the internet and come cuss my friend, right? So, and if me cuss her, how you gonna feel if me cuss her? You gonna like me more if me do it? I just want to know, you know, I try to find out something. If me come and me come cuss out my friend, you gonna like me more when me do it? You gonna say me a good youth? Eh? Do you know what me and my friend talk about when we talk? Eh? Do you know what I say to my friend if I talk to her? Or when I talk to her, do you know? Or just through your nose say I'm a friend, that's why. Because of them something I want to know. People just feel like, you say I know everything off it on the internet. So all you know say, me not talk to my friend. All you know that. I remember, you know, I learn if you just keep a calm and a cooler head. Because you can't argue with everybody through somebody so they have a problem with spice. Because again, you have a lot of people take up spice lifestyle upon them head. And them don't know spice personally. They also judge spice after with them sip on the TV. None of them never try talk to spice yet. Never, ever, ever, ever. None of them never have a conversation. Them just look upon where other people put up about spice. And then them ready for just go comment. Them just go comment and just pass them judgment. So, this is what me just say right now. And you come on now while catching and you have cuss with everybody will comment. Everybody will comment. You have something to say and I war with them. One time gone, I wouldn't stand for this. But as I say, at the internet we I deal with. Anyway, people. Only can see me in a good mood. So, when we have problem, we can't come on by internet. Because people are going to say, oh, one, where are Richie? No, we not do that. We just have to go and hold it and make we go and talk. See? Comment or common sense not so common nowadays. See? Alright. You have a whole heap of people who are struggle mentally. Enough people are go through some whole heap of abuse. One of the biggest abuse that people are facing nowadays, right now, is financial abuse. It's one of the biggest abuse. Financial abuse is so Sarah, it's all about next week up on Mixtape Wednesday. Trafalgar Road. Richie Feelings and DJ LiQWYD. You see financial abuse, man go through it, and woman go through it. A man with a woman, and thus through him and her, not up on the same level, him use what him make and disrespect her. Hey girl, remember you careless, remember you worthless, I just fuck alone, you're good for fuck. She want money for do her ear, she want money for do the kids them thing, she want money for do that, and she have to depend on him. She's so dependent on him. Right? Same thing goes for a man where they with a woman where make more money than him. Financially, him not able to do certain things. He might do a little bit of things, but it's not appreciated. So he's not valued as a man. So he's going through a financial abuse. And the financial abuse make him have a mental breakdown. Because many times he might feel looking at himself and I wonder if he is really a man. So it's like him basically losing balls. And when a man losing balls, him lose everything. Because them said, don't you ever lose your balls as a man. So that's why I not understand how enough time some woman there with a man knows him in a situation there. Say she help him, then take it back and tell him. And it's just like a man knows that the woman did in a situation there. You help him, you help her, and you take it back and tell her. So it's like you help the person, if you take it back and tell them. So that is a big financial problem where financial abuse are the biggest thing happening in enough relationship right now. You have physical abuse, mental abuse, financial abuse, verbal abuse. Because that what heap of abuse you have. Because remember, you know, when people abuse you mentally, they just bring you down every day. So they just bring you down every day. So you're worthless. You're not reaching nowhere. You're this, you're that. Long, all time. I remember say you have some people that go through the whole life. Shelly, I tell you that. Emotional, verbal, mental, financial. And the whole of them abuse there. Some people go through the whole of them something there. Because emotionally, you know, enough people are suffer emotionally. Because, you know, some people, through them know say them can do something for you. Them know say them can do something for you, you know. And each time them do something for you, them a jeer you. Them a jeer you. Them a say them a go do it and them soon do it and them soon do it and them soon do it. And them soon do it and them soon do it. And if you can't wait, how you run them down so. You just a run me down so. And them a beat you. Physical abuse leave the mark them. It leave the mark them. But emotional abuse, trust me, it leaves scar upon your way. Nobody can see them but you. Because you feel them, you know. You alone can see the scar them. Sometimes you see some people and the people them just look pale and poorly. I sick them sick and tired for be sick and tired. Because it come like say them know if them a go or them a come. Enough people in a relationship and them never know how them in, you know. Because them just what listen to it. And when I say what listen to it, I not call the people them what listen to. I talk about how them feel in a them situation with them there. And that's why I always have to come on this and tell them, I say, don't hold on yourself, you know. Don't hold on yourself. And remember, saying afraid to start over neither. Start over go rough. But if you can start over back for yourself, because it's for your mental health and your mental space. For your morals and your pride and your dignity and your sanity. Because all the people are suffering in silence because they can't even go to nobody to explain to them. Enough clean clothes, madman and madwoman you have. Enough. Them don't know if them are go or come. But Bob tell you say emancipate yourself from mental slavery. And none but ourselves can free our minds. Now if I don't have 3 pitney, some I don't have 4 pitney and I wonder how I'm going to manage because I want to sit down here with that man here. I want to sit down with that man here. And if you want to sit down with the man who don't know. Because you're not there with the man 15 years, I'm not there with the man 10 years, I'm not there with the man 20 a year. I'm not better now out there. Sometimes we look for better in a people. You have to find better in yourself. Stop look for better in a people. Because that's our biggest problem. We look for better in a people. And then we left that better there. We left that worse and go find worse. And then we left worse and find worse. And now we still not looking at ourselves. Everybody afraid, man. Everybody afraid. Everybody afraid. Everybody afraid. I can't tell you that. A man might not tell us I'm afraid because he's big and strong. He's afraid to tell us I'm afraid. Trust me, I'm afraid. Because we get so comfortable in our situation. It'll kill we. But we're there and hope and pray like we name Mother. We are hope and pray that things are go better. And we just get older. We just, you ever see some people and them tell them age yet? And when them tell them age, you have to look for yourself and I say, but and you have to just look. You have to just look. And look, you just have to look. And I wonder, say then, what do you mean she at 35? What you mean? And you have to do the whole of this, you have to do the whole of them something here. Because you wonder, oh, you and she used to go to the same school, and you and him used to go to the same school. And oh, him looks so old. Eh? So what's up? I have to something. I have to something. I have to something. Because we sit down and we just stop the things for ourselves. We do things for everybody. Everybody we do things for, you know. And all of us can relate to this. All of us can relate. All of us can relate. We do everything for everybody. And we not do it for ourselves. Because we think that people happiness bring we joy. Or people happiness will bring we joy. If we not joyful, if we not happy, we have to find ourselves. We have to take time and find ourselves. When I say, man, when you find yourself, man, are the best thing. When you step out of that blood clot, chest close there, and take off that blood clot emotional brief there, underpants there, drawers there. And you just go some man step out of that. You go some man take off that and take off that blood clot shirt there and go so. Go man fling out that so. And burn it. And take off that load there and feel how you light. When last you don't feel light? Eh? When last you feel light as a man or a woman? When last you feel light? When last you feel free in your spirit? It's nice when you can say, I'm in a good place. It's a good feeling. When you can take a breath of fresh air like, and it feels good. You have to take on the time and try. Try within yourself. Baby mother, okay. What's up? Me I'm telling the people, it's nice. You can't just sit down and cause watch this now. Shelly there tell her say she feel light 22 pounds she lose and feel and she look fabulous. Here there. When last the woman them look on themselves and say them look fabulous. Woman, come in. Come and talk. Go get her there. Go get her say me stop mind my family them so me free. See clot. We are there on the topic of financial abuse, mental abuse, physical abuse. Are you have to just take a little time for yourself and just want to you? Remember say no for the people them, you know. No for the people them afraid for looking at the mirror. Kishan, what's up? When a woman feel herself and she looking at the mirror upon herself, you know much woman afraid to look upon themselves. Because it's like when them look, them I see the person where I hold them back in life. And when them remember say which part them I come from now, and I say, but me did happy one time, you know. So when you hear enough woman I say, yo, I want back my power, you have to take back your power, you know. Because you give away your power, you know, you have to take back your power, you know. Nurse. Yeah, man, then the whole of the abuse them we attack. Every abuse where you can think of, a whole heap of people are go through it. Whole heap of people are go through it. People have to take care of ourselves. Have to take care of ourselves. What we are going to do? Sit down and just stress out yourself over people and them no blood clot business, boy. We tell you enough of that I go through, you know. I can tell you that in a people. Whole heap of that I go through, you know. So I can come on and come talk to you know. Who know we know. Enough of them things that we go through. We sit down and a blood clot, stress and a fret. We don't look like we're stressed, but we're stressed. And we sit down and a worry. We are worried and I wonder why this and why that, and why, and I be a bumbo clot, why, and a 26 letter in the blood clot alphabet, and we still are worried about why alone can bumbo clot make up the alphabet, a 20 blood clot, 5 left more than, leave why alone. Want to I can and I will, and I won't. Eh? And why you not stop? When I worry about why? Leave why alone and make why move in blood clot. Move your dirty blood clot why. Go ahead and move from there. Go ahead. Cuss out why I make why. Go from there. But why? We never see we never see something come up on the internet yet. And when them come up, like you see the man and the woman stay so, waiting for my life partner, waiting for the love of my life. And when you look, you're there, you wait for the love of your life. And you take time and wither away. You take time and turn blood clot, skin and bone. No meat, not upon you. And you just sit down and just wither away and go away so. Don't be that person that where they are the window of them one of them jaws so. Don't be that person there who sit down with your hand in your jaw and you have to find your own self. Me I tell you no. As a man, me can tell you this as a man, you have to find yourself. Enough man are suffering in silence. Enough man. Because remember said the narrative point for a woman all the while. Man was made to suffer. And woman was made to feel the pain. Have mercy and a good man. You hear me say? Enough man. Alright. I ask you a question. Because I make for ask that question and from me come on the live, but it slipped me. I just remember now. When was the last time everybody on the internet have you encouraged someone? Have somebody encourage you? When was the last time somebody come to you personally, even text you and say, "Want you, don't give up. Remember you're strong." Or if them say it like that, them say, "Yeah, hold up yourself and I go on like say, just bring down yourself." So when last somebody come to you and said this to you, whether it's a man or a woman or a little child, when last? When was the last time somebody give you a word of encouragement? Differently from me. Because I encourage you enough time. Differently from me. When last somebody will come to you, come tell you that. And can relate. You say if you can't say this, you have to revalue. You have to revalue life. You have to do some reevaluation. You have to do some regrouping. You hear me say? You have to change some people where you call friend and associate and you have to. You understand? take girl closet and say she the encourager. Nobody no encourage her. Well, alright. Me I encourage you today. Every man with upon this. Don't make nobody tell you say you're not enough. And don't make nobody tell you say you're not good. You have to look in yourself and know say you're more than enough. Because remember again, you know, you say, enough of we born with a low self-esteem. Enough of we born with a low self-esteem, a very low one, where everything people say by the way. That is why the internet can be so dangerous sometimes. Because we worry about what people have to say all the time. You know how much people say how much bad things about me and talk all kind of things about me. But me use that as a stepping stone. Because me work off a majority. Majority of the time, me there by myself. Majority of the time, me I feed myself. Me I clothe myself. Me I take care of myself. So when the minority come and I try to burn a fire upon me, me not worry about them. When I say, me not worry about them. Because me look back in myself, because you have to look in yourself, you know. And you have to push yourself and motivate yourself, because you don't know how strong you is. But every day you have to be strong. And you say you're not strong. Me hear people say them tired to be strong. Me hear people say them tired to be strong. You can't tired to be strong. Because just check how long you help people. Take how long you bear the burden. And you say you're tired to bear the burden now. Then suppose Father God did say that about we. Suppose Father God did say, yo, I'm tired. Whoa. Every minute Richie come to me, I come ball. Every minute Shelly come to me, I come ball. Every minute Andrew I come ball. Every minute Shine I come ball. Every minute OG I come ball. Everybody I come ball. Then suppose God did say that to we. I'm tired of we. Poor God did tired of we. So you get, every day you get up, you realize, so you still have to go strong for another day, same way. So Blair said, I met in an accident January 21, and that opened my eyes to see who have my back, and who don't. And right now I'm in a space where I'm so good, and that's real, for real. Me and Shireen, or if you give up on yourself, everybody can give up on you, but as long as you don't give up on yourself, you're going to be alright. Mommy Doreen, what's up? But that lady there, Bashman forever. Remember me know that woman here. From about 2003. And that woman here not doing with me nothing more than good. Nothing less than good that woman here deal with me. Nothing less. And what day would me go stop and go look for her. She tell me say I had hurt her and Richie me have this for do and me have that for do and me have everything for do. Whoa. I want to do this and I want to do that and I want to do everything in life. From me know that woman here she a work. From me know her she a work. And when me look on her, we up on one place up at Clarendon, I go look for her, you know. Because if she there all a nigger me have to go look for her to the way I love that woman here. Woman here come like, I say she am a foreign mother. And once me reach Canada, right at her feet me have to go. And when I say she goes up and I sit down so, and I tell me say, I had a hurt her. This fi deal with, that fi do. Family now do this, family now do that. And she said she wants something to drink. And I said to her, I said, Doreen. I said, Doreen, you can't do everything one time. You cannot do everything one time. You have to do things one at a time. You can't, every time you come to Jamaica, you have to do this and you have to do that, you have to do that. You can't do that. Richie, me fed up. Me not come back to Jamaica. Every time you come here and I said, I never hear she talk so yet. And when me do up a country, when our family come, and them chop a jelly and give her, remember, you know, everything their country, you know. Bam! And she drink a jelly. And me and her sit down and reason and thing, and the woman does. Because of the nicest people, them always go through the whole of emotional abuse, you know. Because of emotional abuse, she go through, you know. And a she at the backbone of everything. A she. And me have to look on her and say, I want to Doreen. You worry about the wrong thing. Richie, don't want something to drink. And me I say, no man, I'm good. I'm good, mummy, man. Because once you start by say it hurt you. And your head hurt, your head hurt, your head tear off. You know what that can lead to? Strokes. Because you put everything on your head. Plus blood vessel in your head. Blood vessel in your head. And when that bust in your head, you know you can never return. You know when people get one strokes and not there again. You know when people get one strokes and not there again. And for the people them where you was drinking for drown them sorrows. I tell you something. After you drink and drink, it come like say, the liquor not even do nothing for you again. Because it's a jug you take up, you know. You not drink no water. And water is a cleanser. It helps flush out your system. You have to drink water. You have to drink a lot of water. Because you will drink the alcohol because you say, why, all my wicked family them, my wicked niece them, all my wicked sister, you all my pitney them, and you just sit down, you just have everything, and you just have drinks, and you have drinks, and you have drinks, and you have drink, and you have drink, and you not drink no water. So it go down on your liver, it go on your kidney, it go all about in your body, because remember, say this is how much sugar plus alcohol. Me I'm not no doctor, you know. But me know say too much of everything not good, you know. Me know that, you know. Enough man we see a bar, you think say, I go him really want to go to the bar, and that's why I'm safe place. And that's why I'm comfort zone. Because him can get it for trust, he can get the bartender to talk to, he can just sit down with all, him just can hear all any argument and him just butt in the argument. They matter about football, they matter about cricket, they matter about running, they matter about anything. So I escape, enough man drink for escape. Enough man, enough woman drink for escape. Enough people work for escape. Enough people never want to stay in them yard. Because they're not comfortable in there. And your yard supposed to be a home, your sanctuary, a safe place. A heaven you're supposed to do when you're there in your yard. When you lay down in that, you're supposed to say yes. And take off a load. Take off the whole road and just left it out of one place. You hear me say, man? Candy say she got a gym for escape there. People have them look at escape route. Enough people rather come on life to come escape. You see a yard? Your yard supposed to build a safe place this. Your yard is your pillar, your sponge, your soft place. But enough people yard no comfortable, enough people yard miserable. You hear me say? A whole heap of people are go through it. But no can't give up. Enough people are shopping them use to escape them stress. And then when them see the whole heap of money when them have to pay back on them credit card, them ball murder same way. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Them ball. You hear me say? Whole heap of people shopping just make them mind free because them just a buy and a buy and a buy. Most of the time them don't want it, but them just love to shop. Because shopping just free them mind. I'm telling you, now forget back to the roots in the people. Let me tell you the next thing what we have to do. We have to find peace within yourself. And when you find peace within yourself, you know we better off. The man them especially. Because it reach a stage now where man feel like them not enough, just like how woman feel like them not enough. Easy, originally you would call O major. The major them my brethren. I have a song with him, I Believe. Remember if you know that song, they go up on YouTube and type in D major, I Believe. Them song they big. Enough song I inspire with boy, but when you look easy O'Neal, enough time when you listen some song. The DJ Glamour say music a film get him escape. And music me love to escape in a music all the while, man. Fat Bojo, stay so, lad. When you find peace within yourself, trust me, are the best thing that. Because you can't find peace from people. People can't give peace. Well, I say, I'll come link you later then. See our time now. Yeah, man. I remember again, you know. It's all the while we're sorry when time people drop out and gone. You see music, I'm telling you some song where I listen and inspire myself and uplift myself. You see, Tyrus Riley have a song with him, Lion Paw. That song there a song where I use as upliftment to myself. Bojo have a whole heap of song when I listen, where uplift my spirit. Sizzler have a whole heap of song when I use and uplift my spirit. Sizzler have a song when name like Mountains. Him have a next one named Guide Over Us. See? Garnet Silk have a song when name Bless Me. Mighty Jaja Bless Me. Chronics. See? Junior Gang. See? Capleton. See? Luciana. Have a song where say never give up the fight. Man say even though I'm broken down inside, I'll never give up my pride. Everybody have different type of music where them listen. Just like when women go through them break up and them heartache and them everything. And them soul music that them listen. Mariah Carey have a song when them Through the Rain. Every time I listen to that song, that ball me ball. Because I remember my mother. And ball. You hear me say? Whitney Houston have a song where say When You Believe. Dennis Brown have a song where say Wolf and Leopard and Shepherd. Zine, a whole heap of song there for inspire you. So if you want music to take you out of one place, you have to listen to certain song. Yeah man, Garnet man. See me? Music is a healer for me. Enough other songs there where we listen and you see me? Motivational. Because if you love music, I call say a song there upon the left there, say I look to you. Whitney Houston man. What if a song there, that's why I tell you, say, don't lose yourself. Don't lose yourself. Regularly you feel like you want to give up. And let me tell you, don't plan to kill yourself, you know. Don't plan to kill yourself. People they all live with herpes. People they all live with HIV. People they all live with cancer. People they all live with diabetes. People they are with them child who's autistic. Remember me go over the beach, me and Spice. We go to the beach. Sunday we go to the beach. And when we go to the beach, I see a little youth. And when I see the little youth, him born with a him born away. And him there and him just live him life and him run up and down in the sun and him go on. Of course people are gonna stare upon him to how him look. Because it's not easy to look upon him. But when you cut off how him look and look upon how him enjoy him life, more than hope that they feel him. You hear me say? More than hope that they feel him. That's why we have to be careful. Careful, I want to say about other people's children. You have to be careful. Don't cast no stone upon nobody's child, because just when you have a youth in your womb, as a woman, you never know what's going to happen. That's why them always tell us that when you get a child and your child born and born good, you have to knock board and wall. You have to knock pan wood, knock pan iron, knock pan wall, knock pan something. And give thanks when your youth born. You hear me say? And the next thing, I realize that enough of them things are going in a whole heap of relationship where a child get involved. But before the child get involved, a man meet with their 2 kids them. Or you meet a man with him 2 kids them. All of a sudden, you want to shove out film pitney them, or you want to shove out her kids them and push in your one them. You're not a good man if you're going to do that. You're supposed to love everybody equal. Yes, I hear a pitney them and a film pitney them. Because every man, some man will love you when you have your kids them, you know. But as soon as him breed you, him nobody have no love for them too there where him come meet you with, you know. Him just say, oh, my pitney alone wanted them father. You wanted them father. I see it on the internet how much time I can't make this up. I can't make this up. I see woman come on the internet and I complain. The child don't live with them, but the child come over on the weekends, and one time the child come, the child rude, and the child this and the child that. So, I can't cook for the child and I can't do everything else, but I can't discipline the child. I can't discipline the child. So if me there with you, me and you live in a house and your child come which supposed to be my stepchild, and your child is being rude, and I cannot speak to your child about the rudeness, and me talk to you and you not angle it, me never can do, you know. Because this is a decision where I have to go make for myself. Leave you and your family, and me go start my own family. Because him father take care of him and everything. Me and you there we are trying to build. But we now go can build because fuckery are going with the child. Me can't talk to the child, but you want me to do things to the child. When the child birthday come, you war me. And I tell me, say, oh, me not give you pitney, nothing, I love your pitney. You want me buy shoes and clothes and cake and everything for the pitney. But me can't discipline your pitney. I cannot discipline your child. We have a problem in the relationship. We have a problem. we have a fucking problem. No negative say I'm the only one for my father and he took better care of the step kids. See it there? I tell us I couldn't make up this, man. I tell us I couldn't make up this. I couldn't make up this. Having a stepchild is not bad. Because sometimes your step kids them treat you better. So when now go hear me come on and I say, oh, no there with no woman with no pitney, you would have never hear me say that. I would have never come say things like that. And I want to tell you this now, where for this school year, this fiscal year, the start of a new school year, please me I beg you, all the parents them were upon this. Sit down with the youth them have more dialogue, pay more attention to where them are going with. Pay more attention, not just the clocks and the nice shoes and the nice bag and the tablet and the game in a house and the, not just the comfort there. Mentally you have to see where the youth them there. Pay more attention to the youth them mentally and not monetary wise. Because monetary wise, we do a part. But one-on-one, we don't have no one-on-one with the youth them. We not sit down with the youth them and say, come in, a long time we not talk. But you could have a man where you bring around the house and the youth not like that because him father not dead. So come in. I know you have to live your life. Don't forget that part. I know you have to live your life. But don't forget, when you invite somebody else in your child's space, that will cause a problem. So now you have a decision to make. Either you have a build up a hatred for your youth because he might try to block your front, and now you have no man. You have to sit down with the youth and make sure, say, oh, what do you think about? And that is how long you talk to the man too. Me nah say if you talk to the man and just bring him in the house right away. Me never said that. Don't do it. Don't do it. So I have to have more dialogues with the youth them. And I see something on the news yesterday. I think yesterday I see it. Or I read it or something that rape by family members has risen in the parish of Trelawney. Carnal abuse has risen in the parish of Trelawney. Fathers are having sex with their daughters. And family members, uncle and cousin have sex with the little young minor pitting them. Down at Trelawney. Because I be them reports that them get down that side. It gone pan a rampant. Even though woman on the internet does basically dash out them crutches, some man still don't have that forget a woman. So him quicker for just take care of a little 10-year-old and 11-year-old in a sense. Mothers, watch over your daughters. Fathers, protect your children. A year child, and you bring forth your child. Don't tell your blood clad child about a you bring her, so you supposed to take her. No, that is wrong. That is so fucking wrong. That's wrong. That's your child. That's your baby. Remember, I go to Bama and I watch a live yesterday. A girl sent it to me. A little girl at 12 and her father filed for her. She go away from she young. And her father molested her in America. Her father and her brother molested her. and tell her, she said her father put him finger in her vagina. Yo, I feel all the way for y'all to talk about this. I swear to God. I feel all the way for you to talk about it, but it's out there. And I want to listen.
Was taken from me when she was 8. Her father and her stepmother. Tried for her to go and live with her in America from she's 8 years old. She's 12 now, and she came to Jamaica to spend the summer holiday with me. While she was here in the summer holiday, I was talking about my problem, what my father has done to me. See my little baby crying? Then I asked her, why are you crying? It's not about you, it's about me. This is what my baby said to me.
When I was 9 years old, 3 months after, my father started to kiss me on my mouth. And then, as going on, he said, if I told anyone, you'll get taken away, and I'll get taken away, and so would my stepmother, and that it was father and daughter love. Then he started to put his finger in my vagina, and then he started to put his face in my vagina. Then when I was 11 years old, he put on a condom and he stuck his penis inside of me, and I told him it hurts, and then he took it out, and then as that he went on like nothing ever happened. And then when I'm taking showers and anything, he'll ask me if he wanted me to wash my back, and I told him okay, and then he came in the shower, or he was outside of the shower, he'll wash my back, but then after, he'll put his finger where my vagina was, and then my brother, which is 20-odd years old, started to molest me in my sleep. He came to visit a day, and then he was sleeping in my bed because there wasn't any other bed in the house, and at night, he'll touch me in my sleep, and he told me I can't tell anyone, so I thought it was brother not to love, like how my father said, and then, yeah.
You come to Jamaica?
And then I came to Jamaica, and then I told my mother about it.
Okay, and she told me about it. I called them, and when I called the stepmother, she told me, yes, Stephanie did tell her about the brother that is Theodore Arthurs, right? And she said she apologized to Stephanie. Apologize doesn't help my baby. That's why she never tell Princess Arthurs about the father, because she said...
So now, wanna see the things that are happening on earth. That little girl is at 12. She's at 12. She's at 12. She's at 12. So, remember this is something up on the internet, and I like that them send it to me at TikTok this depon, you know. And I like me get it privately, and me just it's on the internet. How can you have feelings for your daughter? You supposed to be her safe haven. And one of the wickedest thing will hurt me. What hurt me the most, the stepmother said she apologized. The stepmother, you know, say yes, the little girl tell her. The little girl tell her, and she apologized. So again, you know, see how wicked a woman can be. She not push out her son. She not push out her man. She and them still there happily ever after. Now this little girl, remember, you know, shot 12. Shot 12. Okay. Shot 12. And me don't know the people them, you know. I see me see it on the internet. Me don't know them. I don't know them. Right? I don't know them. That's why me I tell you say, a TikTok it depend. Cause everything open up on TikTok. You can't do anything at all. Anybody can have page, anybody can whatever. So see another mental health problem here. See financial, physical, sexual. See every abuse here at 12. At 12. At 12. At 12. Now me is a man we have my kids them now. How me feel? How me can feel? This make me just feel sick. Me just feel sick. Me can't feel good about this. Me can't laugh about this. I don't know if she sent back the little girl because the mother said she did get molested in Jamaica. So she attack and her daughter start crying and tell her say she get molested overseas. The mother said she did. And them said the little girl have there in America for them have a case. The father have the green card and him now. Him black them. Him black she the mother and him black the daughter. Out there so police can't do nothing either. I don't even know what we state need, I know. Brother, we are tell me say it viral long time when me just a see it. So, how it viral and me just a see it? It viral and me just a see it. So that means say, me never see it. Me not gonna talk about something when me not see it. Me just a see it. Rough. You know what people are the first them I hear that story, yeah? Rough.